Now, if you love tactile switches and you've been waiting for a banger switch to hit the market, Badseed Tech has got your back. Let's take a quick look at the Badseed Tactiles. Hey y'all, welcome to Clickbait. So the Badseed Tactiles are a switch designed by popular tech reviewer and keyboard enthusiast Badseed Tech in partnership with Prevail Key Company. These are set to go on sale this Saturday, November 5th at 10 a.m. Eastern at Prevail. And I'd advise you to get there early so you don't miss out. These will run you 65 cents per switch and are sold in bundles of 70, 90, and 110. The top and bottom housing are made of the same nylon blend as the popular Epsilon linear switches and come in these beautiful transparent teal with the Badseed branding on the top housing. It's paired with a P3 long pole stem in gray for that crisp bottom out. These come factory lubed and I gotta say, I'm impressed with how they sound straight out the bag. They're smooth in its stock form and you could tell the springs were also oiled. Out of my early batch of 90, I only got 3 switches that suffered from a bit of ping, but I lubed those up and it took care of that issue. Now you can always lube over the factory stuff if you want, but you will be at risk of over lubing and possibly putting that strong tactile bump in jeopardy. Speaking of which, I don't have any force graphs to share at the moment, but here's what these chubby little fingers feel. There's a tiny bit of pre-travel before you get to the bump, and I mean like maybe half a millimeter tiny. The bump is sharp and has a fairly long and well-rounded tactile drop. The long pole keeps you engaged with that bump almost throughout the keystroke. This paired with the 63.5 two-stage spring makes the Badseed Tactiles feel really snappy. Overall, if you're a tactile fan, you're gonna love these switches. And if you're team linear and wanna give tactile a shot, this is a good place to start. Now, as a member of Team Linear, I personally love them. Brian did a hell of a job on these. Now, this is not a sponsored video, nor do I have an affiliate link with Prevail. These are just my thoughts on these switches. Now, here are a couple of sound tests on a couple of different boards with different configurations to give you an idea of how they may sound in your setup. Before I go, just a reminder, drop a like on the video and subscribe if you dig the content. That's all I got for you guys today. Enjoy the typing test. I'll catch you in the next one. These are definitely bangers and I highly recommend them. Peace.